Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Xero accounting sync issues step by step clearly. If you're experiencing sync issues with Xero accounting, follow these steps to resolve them. First, ensure that your internet connection is stable and reliable. Check if Xero servers are down by visiting their status page. Log into your Xero account and navigate to the settings. Verify that your integration settings are correctly configured. Ensure that your accounting software is updated to the latest version. Disconnect and reconnect the integration to refresh the connection. Clear your browser cache and cookies if you're accessing Xero via a web browser. Try accessing Xero from a different browser or device. Check for any errors or notifications in your Xero dashboard. Review your accounting software sync settings to confirm everything aligns with Xero. Make sure that your user permissions are correctly set for the tasks you want to perform. Verify that all account mappings are correctly set up in both systems. Look for any duplicated transactions or discrepancies in your entries. If you're using multiple organizations, confirm that you're syncing the correct organization. Consult the support documentation for both Xero and your accounting software. If issues persist, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance. Document the steps you've taken for more efficient troubleshooting. Make sure to check your software logs for any error messages that may indicate the problem. After making changes, initiate a new sync to see if the issue is resolved. Monitor the sync for a few days to ensure stability. If everything works smoothly, you have successfully fixed your sync issues with Xero. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.